Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's the same day that I did the AC mess up, and well, that's going to be on YouTube also. And, well, this is me, Jackhammer Guy, that's gonna destroy this microwave that my parents don't use anymore. I don't understand why, but, well, they don't know. Well, they won't tell me. And here's my video camera person, my grandpa. He is a nice guy. Okay, so now we are going to destroy. Safety glasses on. Pretty cool. Now, the jackhammer of wisdom that I am going to use to jab up the top. Ouch, I opened up the front.
Hold it a minute, Alan. Hold it a minute. Take that glass out and throw it, because we don't want that glass all over the driveway. Get that out of there. Throw that in the garbage. Yeah, that's dangerous. Put that right in the garbage.
That's not good, you know.
That's not good.
This could kill me. So I don't want that to happen, because, well,
I forget.
I don't have many.
Yeah, I forgot about that, Alex. So.
Okay. Now I'm going. I already bent up that.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to close. Okay.
It's closed.
Okay.
This is bending in. We have the camera for a sec. So, all the things that I'm hitting on the top go down here and there. So, I'm hoping to break through and, well, do that, but it is what it is. And I'm going to probably do it. Okay, Pa, you can do a couple of hits. Do it on the top hard. And try to break the top, because that's what I'm having trouble with. Wow! Okay, Pa. You ripped off the door and pretty much damaged all inside.
I think you're done. Hit a few more hits. Don't hit this. And then I'm going to film you doing this, and then we're done. Hold it now. Boy, that got really smashed. Good.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Wait, and so is the back and the sides.
All right. Here, why don't you film your damage now? Put your jackhammer down and just go film all your damage. Leave that on there. That's fine. Here, Alex.
Okay, here's the damage on the top that my grandpa did. Strong man. That came off. From up here, the damage inside, pretty bad. Wouldn't be cooking meatballs anymore. Back damaged. I think that's about it.
Okay.
And one thing I'm going to do is I am going to flip it over and going to do the back.
No, I don't think so.
For one little bit. If it doesn't bend, well, then I'm done.
You're done anyway. I think you're done.
So do I, but it's too much fun. Okay, now? Get this going, and boom.
Good. All right, Alex, that's good. Here, you can film while I haul it away. I'll haul it over to the dump. Here, recording.
Okay.
You gotta edit.
So,
okay.
that's the damage.
And we're hauling.
And I am done for the day. And my next video for the day is going to be how to do a front flip. So yeah, I'm pretty good at that. And I'm only 8 years old, which is pretty surprising for me. So see you next time. Subscribe and rate.
There you go.